draw 5 by 5 table or matrix, whatever you would like to call it as. Okay. This is very essential. Okay. 5 by 5 table, because you will need it, and minute the activity starts, you won't have time to draw this. So I'll give you another 10 seconds to finish drawing this. Okay. If you are still sincerely looking at your notes, so let me give another couple of seconds. Okay, done. Okay, now what's going to happen is, no, background and all is, yeah, and I mean, background and all, of course, I mean, don't think too much. You don't need backgrounds and all. Okay, now what's going to happen? I'm going to have a question or information in each of these boxes. Okay, so you have to find the person who qualifies for that point noted into that cell. Okay, let me give you a sample. I'm sharing my screen again. So if you see the first question, this is a sample. This is not going to be the actual question. For example, it says has served as a district officer. Okay, so you go to the participant list, message them privately. Okay, don't message everyone. If I see anybody responding to message on everyone, then you are disqualified from this game. Okay, so if there is so has served as a club district officer, so just see who would have done that, verify if they have really done that, and put that person's name. You cannot fill your name in your grid. That is the criteria. So this entire grid is going to have many such questions. It may be related to Toastmasters, it may not be related to Toastmasters, but you are required to find the person who has really done that and put their name against that cell. Okay, so once you have filled all the cells with valid names, you will message me saying you're done, or you will unmute and speak saying Gayatri, I've done. The top 3 people who get it fully right will get a gift from me. Okay, from me, not from district, because Zakaria sir will come and say, please ensure that it goes to the previous budget. So I will send a gift for 3 people who get all of the grids right. Now, there is a criteria. If you unmute and then you, while you're reading, if that person, for example, I'm filling Dinesh Balaji as a person who have served as a district officer, and then Dinesh Balaji says, no, I've never been a district officer, then you will be disqualified. Okay, then you will be sending gifts to all of us. All the district officers can approach you asking for a gift. Okay, so ensure that you ask that person before you fill their name. And if somebody reads your name and they haven't asked you, you please unmute and ask for a gift from that person. Okay, the rules are clear. So you're going to have a grid, 5 by 5 grid, with lot of interesting questions or points. Find the person who qualifies for that name, and the first 3 people who get everything right will be awarded a gift. If you fill the name without asking somebody, or if you fill it incorrectly, then you will be eligible to give gifts to every district officer who comes and asks you. Okay, okay, so let me share my screen, but before that, timer. Okay, so the time is running. I'm going to share it exactly in another 3 seconds. So we will have 4 minutes for completing this activity, and we'll have 5 minutes for speaking on that. Okay, and your time starts now. I hope you all can see my screen. Are the letters visible? Let me see if I can maximize it.
You have to put it in full screen mode.
Full screen. Okay, let me stop sharing. Okay, your time starts now. I hope it's clear now.
If the person himself has done that, can he mention himself?
In your grid, your name cannot appear. You have to find a different person. You can say that yes for a different person though.
Do the names have to be unique?
Yeah,
But
of
it is-
course. You can't fill the same name across. Yeah, it has to be unique.
Ramya, you could have asked the question at the end. You would have had some leverage.
No, after we say, then she'll say, no, that's not fair.
Should the person be present in this meeting?
Yes, only the people here. Senthil, 4 minutes. 4 minutes. You have to get to know your team.
What should we fill in that free space?
Free space is bonus. Without even filling anything, you get point there.
Gayatri, should I check with the individual before I put their names, or I can simply start filling the names that I know?
I mean, if you read their name and then they said they say you haven't checked with them, you will be. You will be giving gifts for every district officer who comes and asks you. So if you think they will not protest, then yeah, of course. If they don't speak up, yes, you can add that. And please don't ping me asking for, using me, because I want to use the chat for a different purpose. I cannot monitor the chat. So please don't put my name in anything else. I hope you're all pinging each other. Vidya, I see you're so sincerely finding out who is.
I don't know. People are also asking me questions.
Okay. I like this. Yeah, that's the whole idea about this. So keep talking with everyone. You can maximize the chat box if it is getting difficult. I'm just letting you know. You can have the chat on full screen and do that as well. So there are some interesting questions like, who has read a Toastmaster magazine? You should use your common sense to see who might have read it, because there are very few people who would have read the last issue or latest issue of Toastmaster magazine. So when you ask somebody, please utilize your knowledge about that person and then ping them.
Can the same person come in 2 or 3 boxes?
No, one person only once. Otherwise, I know there are people with whom you.
Gayatri, I've made Kalyan to read the magazine now. So once he finishes,
Don't announce to everybody,
the
Ravi.
magazine, I'll put his name. I was just kidding.
Question. Which box I can fill your name? I appreciate that person actually.
Somebody is utilizing their creativity. Very
It's a
nice.
very smart question. That's
Okay, I think we can have 1 more minute for filling up the grid, and then we will see how much.
You guys, you have to give us 1 hour. Our questions are tough.
Sir, you have the entire term to know your team. Let's see how much we can know in this short.
We should play this once again at the end of the term.
Yeah, they should be able to fill without asking at least then. A timer, how are we doing? How much more time do we have?
By the way, who structured these questions?
This is from TI, by the way. This is not, I've modified a few, but this is called Toastmasters Bingo.
Okay, I give up. Last we'll have 10 kids to fill. I don't know.
All right. Okay.
No,
So-
in personal DOTPs, it will be super fun. People will be running in the room and then it will be full fun actually.
Okay, let's end it there. Did anybody get the entire grid filled? Okay, so let us do it like the usual bingo. Did anybody get the first row filled? Unmute and say if you filled the first row.
First column, yes.
First column. Okay, so let's hear
Yeah,
the
first column.
first column. Anybody else has filled?
Me.
Ramya. Okay, who
Yeah,
else was it? Shiva, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's hear from Shiva and then Ramya. So Shiva, who are the ones who has competed in all the 4 types of speech contest at any level? Who was it?
All the 4 levels in speech.
I mean, what was your first value? You can't think now.
No. What was the question? I don't know the question.
Has competed in all the 4 types of speech contests at any level.
Oh, sorry. I thought it was path.
Okay, Shiva disqualified. Now let's go
So
to
one treat for all of us. Okay.
yeah. Anybody at any time you can ask treat from Shiva. Ramya, what was your answer for the first one?
Dinesh Kumar.
Okay, next, 2 clubs or more,
Aarti.
and attended a Toastmaster event outside India.
Satish.
Can recite at least 1 Toastmaster's promise.
Vidya.
Really, Vidya?
I asked her.
You asked her to see the promise also.
No. I didn't. I asked.
He did that. He did that.
Nice.
I found integrity.
Been an ExCom officer in the last 2 years.
Subhashini.
Very nice. I think all of them are valid. I am assuming that since none of them protested, Ramya will be the first recipient. Congratulations. Okay, let's see. Anybody did 2 columns anywhere on the 2 columns or 2 rows anywhere on the grid? No. Okay. Any 1 full row? Anybody? Okay. Any column other than first column?
Gayatri, definitely questions are very tough, Gayatri.
Question. Okay. It's not a tough.
Gayatri, you can give me all the 3 gifts. I don't mind.
We have Nadira raising her hand.
Nadira, what have you got?
So O row, I've got it.
O column, you mean?
Yeah, column. Thank you, column.
Okay, so a member of 5 years or for 5 years or less?
Toastmaster Dinesh.
Dinesh, are you? Is it? Everybody wrote your name, is it?
Actually, I've been a Toastmaster since 2014.
There are a lot of
Those in
Dinesh.
my introduction that I have been married for the same number of years. I've been a Toastmaster.
Which area?
Which Dinesh is it?
Yes.
Yeah, which is referring?
Which Dinesh, Nadira?
PQDD team Toastmaster Dinesh Kumar.
Dinesh Balaji from PQD team is a long time Toastmaster. Right, Dinesh?
Yes.
No, Toastmaster. He told me he is.
No.
Okay, one more treat list.
One more person to give treat.
Someone has filled the center box also. Center spot, someone has.
Okay, I'll give one gift. Anybody has done this, okay? Has anybody read the latest issue of the Toastmaster magazine? Did you do it? Except for Satish, of course. Anybody has read it? Okay, all my gifts are saved. So Ramya, I'll send it across to you. I hope you got the little bit of energy flowing. So there is always nice things to know about each other. So division directors and area directors, when you have such meetings, maybe do some sort of an icebreaker, because it's always interesting to know new things about our team that will help us bond better. On that note, let me sign off and back to you, MC.
Thank you so much, distinguished Toastmaster Gayatri. That was a wonderful interactive activity, and we really got to laugh a little and also know more about our fellow Toastmasters here. With that, let's move on to the next item on the agenda. And we have Toastmaster Arun Kumar Kota, who's here to deliver